Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start.
A Cooking Show Episode 7, Cambodia Cuisine. This is just a pretend. We don't imply anything or anyone. Let's start the show.
Welcome to Cooking Around the World, the show where we explore the diverse and delicious cuisines of different countries. I'm your host, Lisa, and today we have a special guest from Europe, Max, who is a travel blogger and a food lover. Hi, Max. Welcome to the show.
Hi, Lisa. Thank you for having me. I'm very excited to be here and to learn more about Cambodia's food culture.
Host. Well, you're in for a treat because today we're going to make one of Cambodia's most famous dishes, fish amok. It's a creamy and aromatic curry with coconut milk, lemongrass, galang gel, turmeric, and other spices cooked in banana leaves and served with rice. It's a very popular dish in Cambodia, especially during festivals and celebrations.
Wow, that sounds amazing. I love coconut milk and curry, so I'm sure I'll enjoy this dish. But I have to ask, what kind of fish do you use for this dish?
Good question, Max. You can use any kind of white fish, such as catfish, tilapia, or snapper, but the traditional fish used in Cambodia is snakehead fish, which is a freshwater fish that can be found in rivers and lakes. It has a firm and flaky texture and a mild flavor that goes well with the curry sauce.
Snakehead fish. That sounds exotic. I've never tried it before, but I'm willing to give it a go.
Great. Let's get started then. First, we need to prepare the banana leaves that we're going to use to wrap the fish. We need to wash them, dry them, and cut them into rectangles. Then we need to soften them by heating them over a flame for a few seconds until they become pliable and shiny. This will also help to release their aroma and flavor.
Okay, I'll help you with that. How many banana leaves do we need?
We need 4 banana leaves, 1 for each serving. Here, you can use this knife to cut them. Be careful not to cut yourself.
Alright, I'll try my best. Like this?
Yes, that's perfect. Now, let's move on to the curry paste. We need to blend some ingredients in a food processor or a blender, such as lemongrass, galangal, turmeric, garlic, shallots, kaffir lime leaves, and red chili. These are the key ingredients that give the dish its distinctive flavor and color.
I can smell the fragrance from here. It's very refreshing and spicy.
Yes, it is. You can adjust the amount of chili according to your preference, but I like it a bit spicy. After blending the ingredients, we need to add some fish sauce, palm sugar, and shrimp paste to season the paste. These are the common condiments used in Cambodian cuisine, and they add a salty, sweet, and savory taste to the dish.
I see. I'm familiar with fish sauce and palm sugar, but what is shrimp paste?
Shrimp paste is a fermented paste made from small shrimps and salt. It has a very strong and pungent smell, but it adds a lot of umami and depth to the dish. You only need a small amount of it. Otherwise, it will overpower the other flavors.
I understand. It sounds like a very interesting ingredient. I'm curious to try it.
Well, you'll have the chance soon. Now we need to add some coconut milk to the paste and mix well. This will make the sauce creamy and rich. Then, we need to add some eggs and whisk them well. This will help to thicken the sauce and make it more custardy.
I see. So, the eggs are not for scrambling, but for binding the sauce.
Exactly. Now, we're ready to assemble the dish. We need to place a banana leaf on a plate and spoon some sauce on it. Then, we need to place a piece of fish on top of the sauce and spoon some more sauce over it. We need to make sure that the fish is well coated with the sauce. Then, we need to fold the banana leaf over the fish and secure it with a toothpick or a bamboo skewer. We need to repeat this process for the rest of the servings.
Okay, I'll help you with that. It looks like we're making little parcels of fish.
Yes, we are. And they're going to be delicious. Now, we need to steam the fish parcels for about 20 minutes until the fish is cooked through and the sauce is set. We can use a steamer basket or a pot with a lid and some water.
All right, let's do that. I can't wait to taste the final result.
Me too. While we wait, we can cook some rice to serve with the fish amok. Rice is a staple food in Cambodia, and it goes well with any dish. We can use jasmine rice, which is a fragrant and fluffy rice variety.
Sounds good to me. I love rice.
Great. Then, we're all set. We just need to wait for the fish amok to be ready, and then we can enjoy our meal.
Awesome. Thank you, Lisa, for teaching me how to make this dish. It's been a lot of fun and a great learning experience.
You're very welcome, Max. Thank you for joining me on this show. And thank you, viewers, for watching Cooking Around the World. I hope you enjoyed this episode and learned something new. Stay tuned for more episodes where we'll explore more cuisines from different countries. Until then, happy cooking and bon appetit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.